how to log in Crunchyroll and TV with QR code. Tired of typing long emails and password with your TV remote? Crunchyroll now lets you log in instantly using a QR code, and here's how to do it. Start by opening the Crunchyroll app on your smart TV, streaming stick, or console. So on the home screen, choose the login option and then select login with QR code. A QR code will appear on your TV screen. So on your smartphone, go ahead and open the QR code scanner that you have on your device and then face your camera into your TV to be able to scan the QR code. Now that will take you to the Crunchyroll app, and then from there you need to confirm the login on your phone. Your TV will automatically refresh and you'll be signed in. This QR login works on most platforms including Android TV, Google TV, Fire TV, Apple TV, Samsung, and LG Smart TVs. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the internet. If the QR code does not scan, you can still log in by entering the activation code at crunchyroll.com/activate. And that is how to log in Crunchyroll and TV with QR code.